Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be analyzing the crypto market, and I'm going to be focusing on the pair called Ether stroke USD Tether, which is Ethereum stroke USD Tether. Now when you look at Ethereum at the moment, all cryptocurrencies are in the bear market. We are experiencing a lot of consolidation, a lot of correction, a lot of impulse and correction moves, but the whole structure, when you try analyzing the market in the higher time frame, you can clearly see that we are in a bear market. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, plus commenting down the description about what you have learned in this video. So stay with me guys till the end of this video. We also appreciate you for subscribing to our channel. We have to push it to 100 subscribers. At the moment we have 20 subscribers. So if you have learned a lot from our videos which we have been uploading the past 1 month, 2 months, please there and subscribe, or tell your friends also to subscribe to our channel, because a lot of content is still coming out. Now without wasting time, let's make a weekly outlook on Ethereum and see where it's heading. Now I'm in my daily time frame. I can see, if I try to zoom out, we made analysis on Ethereum last week and we told you Ethereum is likely to drop, moving from a level of, it was currently on 1800, and we're expecting Ethereum to crash all the way till to $900. Now at the moment I can see Ethereum is making a little bit consolidation on 1700 level. What does this mean? On my last video I told you that Ethereum gave us a breakout because we had an impulse move correction, so we are expecting another impulse move to the downside. But I told you, before you sell Ethereum, first wait for Ethereum to come back and retest this particular breakout which it made on this level before you jump in again on another sale, for those who are trading Ethereum. But for the investors, just keep on holding your portfolios, because at the moment the whole market is in a deep bear market. Now all you have to do is waiting, staying on the charts, getting weekly updates, or following several main figures in the crypto market to see what are their expectations on different currencies. But you can also use a formula of hedging your crypto portfolio every week or every month, adding in some money till the market reverses from the bear market to the uptrend market, which is bull market. Now Ethereum made a consolidation. After making this consolidation, which is a correction, we had a breakout, a massive breakout. Now after Ethereum making a breakout, we can see it's also making another consolidation, which is an impulse correction move. If I try to slow down to the lower time frame, which is hour 4, I can see Ethereum has made an impulse correction. Now we are expecting Ethereum to make another impulse move from this level. See this level, at least to level of 1500 or $1,300 per coin. Now if you're an investor or a trader looking on trading Ethereum, I think this is the right time for you to look for your selling positions, because I can see Ethereum anytime it's gonna crash, because we have an impulse move. After the impulse move, I can see now we have a little bit correction of our wage. Now this is gonna push Ethereum to sell, hitting our first TP of this bearish wedge, which is 1500, moving to the downside to 1300 or 200 per coin. Now, if you're a trader, I think this is the right time to jump in Ethereum and sell. If you're an investor, this is the right time for you to stay focused and hold your portfolio, because like I told you, all cryptocurrencies are still in the bear market, and we're expecting most of the cryptocurrencies to continue dropping. Now, like Bitcoin may drop massively till to the level of 10,000, to the level of 10,000 or 11,000 or 12,000. So if you're an investor and investing in cryptocurrencies, Ethereum or Bitcoin, I think this is the right time for you to stay focused till all these currencies heading to the levels we are trying to update you, so that you can add in more money in your portfolios. So we are trying to give you a weekly update on Ethereum. What are we expecting? We as crypto dives, we're expecting Ethereum to continue with selling momentum before we approach to these particular levels where we're expecting reversals. So don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video, and also commenting down below in the description about what videos would you like us to make more on cryptocurrencies, or which pairs you would like us to analyze for you. Don't forget also to follow us on our social media handles, plus signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is Binance. Peace.